Hello students, welcome. So today we are going to study force and pressure, which is for class 8th science. So uh, this video will go around force and pressure. So today's class will be comparatively smaller. So let's start. So we will understand with the basic concepts. What is force? We will understand the concept behind the force. So suppose you have a ball. Suppose you have a ball and you need to move it. You want to move it. How will the ball move from here to here? How will the ball move? You need to push. You need to push this ball with your foot or hand. You need to push this ball to move this from here to here. And what if you want to if you want to stop this ball? If you want to stop this ball, you will need to pull this ball toward yourself. You need to pull this ball toward yourself, then this ball will be stopped. So what is the conclusion here? We need to push to move this. We needed to pull to stop this. So we actually applied a force. We actually applied a force to the ball to move it. So we have concluded that a push or a pull on an object is called a force. Any kind of push or pull on an object is called force. For example, opening the door. We need to push or pull. Playing football. So playing football, we need to push, we need to kick the ball. That is a kind of push. These are called forces. Without an interaction, the force can't be applied to change its state. The interaction occurs only when the bodies come in contact. The interaction may be direct or indirect. So pay attention guys here. We have to make a contact between the ball and our foot. We have to make a contact between the ball and our foot to apply that force. We need to make a contact between the door and our hand. We need to make a contact with the football with our feet to kick it. So have you understood what is force? Any kind of push or pull is a force that helps to move the objects. Now, effects of force. What are the effects of force? Force can make a stationary object move. So I have told you example of ball, or take example of book. A book that is kept on a table. When we apply a force, the book moves like this. Now second effect, force can stop a moving object. So have you seen a cricket match? When the ball moves, the cricketer hand catches the ball and the ball stops. This is an example of force can stop a moving object. Now third effect, force can change the shape and size of an object. Do you have a toothpaste? Toothpaste. When you push the toothpaste tube, the toothpaste come out of the tube and the size of the tube size of the tube changes. This is example of this. Fourth effect, force can change the speed of a moving object. Now pay attention here. Do you have seen swing, that we call in Hindi jhula? Do you have seen swing? When we apply more force to the swing, the speed of the swing increases, and when we pull the swing, the speed of the swing decreases. When we apply force, more force, more speed, less force, less speed. Okay, now fifth example, force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. You have seen the cricket match. When the batsman hit the ball coming toward him changes its direction. See here, the batsman, the ball, the bowler. The ball comes from here with a high velocity, and the batsman hit that ball, and the direction of the ball changes. It can move here, it can move here, it can move here. This is because of force. Now the topic comes types of forces. There are two types of forces: contact forces, non-contact forces. We will study them later in the next class. So guys, if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Share this channel to more and more friends. Okay.